Island-style turkey burger with garlic, peppers, onion, and Caribbean flavors can be a delicious and flavorful experience. Feel free to customize the recipe based on your preferences. Adjust the level of spice by adding more or less Caribbean jerk seasoning, and don't hesitate to experiment with additional toppings or sauces to suit your taste. Welcome to Oscar Island Style, your virtual gateway to a culinary paradise where the flavors of the tropics come to life in every dish. I'm your host, Oscar, and I'm here to take you on a mouth-watering journey through the vibrant and exotic world of island-inspired cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you've come to the right place to explore the tantalizing tastes and rich cultural heritage of island cuisine. From sizzling jerk chicken to refreshing coconut-infused cocktails, we've got it all covered. So, grab your apron, dust off your taste buds, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will transport you to the sunny shores of the Caribbean, the Pacific, and beyond. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment on Oscar Island Style. Creating an island-style turkey burger with garlic, peppers, onion, and Caribbean flavors is a delicious idea. Here's a simple recipe to help you make these flavorful burgers. The complete list of ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description. Ingredients: for the turkey patties, 1.5 pounds ground turkey, half a cup breadcrumbs, a quarter cup finely chopped red bell pepper, a quarter cup finely chopped onion, 3 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons Caribbean jerk seasoning, 1 teaspoon dried thyme, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 1 egg, optional, for binding. For toppings and garnish: pineapple slices, lettuce leaves, tomato slices, red onion slices, Caribbean-style hot sauce, burger buns. Instructions: prepare the turkey patties. In a large mixing bowl, combine ground turkey, breadcrumbs, chopped red bell pepper, chopped onion, minced garlic, Caribbean jerk seasoning, dried thyme, paprika, salt, and pepper. If needed for binding, add 1 beaten egg to the mixture. Mix the ingredients well until everything is evenly combined. Form patties. Divide the turkey mixture into equal portions and shape them into burger patties. Ensure they are of even thickness to ensure even cooking. Cook the patties. Heat a grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. Cook the turkey patties for about 4 to 5 minutes per side or until they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit 74 degrees Celsius and have a nice golden brown crust. Assemble the burgers. Toast the burger buns on the grill for a minute or until lightly browned. Place a turkey patty on the bottom half of each bun. Top with pineapple slices, lettuce, tomato, and red onion. Add Caribbean flair. Drizzle Caribbean-style hot sauce over the toppings for an extra kick of flavor. Serve. Place the top half of the bun on the assembled toppings, and your island-style turkey burger is ready to be served. Feel free to customize the toppings and condiments based on your preferences. These burgers pair well with sweet potato fries, coleslaw, or a fresh fruit salad for a complete Caribbean-inspired meal. Enjoy your delicious island-style turkey burgers. That's a wrap for today's island-inspired culinary journey, my fellow flavor enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this taste of paradise and are now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to bring a bit of island magic to your own kitchen. Remember, the beauty of island cooking lies not only in the ingredients but also in the spirit of sharing and celebration. So, if you whipped up one of our recipes, share it with hashtag Oscar Island Style on social media, and let's create a virtual feast together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delectable island delights, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest gastronomic adventures. Until next time, may your dishes be flavorful, your spirits be high, and your hearts be as warm as a tropical sunset. Farewell, my friends, and keep the island vibes alive. Oscar Island Style.